Unlock the power of cutting-edge AI without breaking the bank by leveraging the Deepseek API for free. Today, we're diving into how you can access and utilize the Deepseek API using a free API key and URL. This isn't about magic. It's about understanding how to strategically find and utilize free tiers, trial periods, or promotional access that Deepseek may offer. The first crucial step is to navigate to the official Deepseek website. Look carefully for sections detailing their pricing, API plans, or developer resources. Often, advanced AI providers will clearly advertise any available free tiers or introductory offers, designed to let you experiment with their technology. Once you've located the information on free access, you'll typically need to register. This generally involves creating an account and then generating your unique API key. This key is your credential, your passkey. To interact with the Deepseek API, keep it secure, just like you would any password. You'll also be provided with the specific API URL you need to send your requests to. Think of this as the address where the Deepseek AI lives and operates together. Your API key and this URL form the essential components for making your first API calls. Now, it's vital to understand the limitations that come with free access. Free tiers often have usage caps, slower response times, or may not include access to the most advanced features. Always review the terms of service associated with your free API key to fully grasp these constraints. Ethical considerations and responsible usage are paramount. This means adhering strictly to Deepseek's terms of service, avoiding any attempt to exploit or abuse the free resources, and ensuring your usage aligns with their acceptable use policy. Abusing free tiers can lead to your access being revoked. By diligently following these steps, focusing on understanding the provided free resources, and always acting responsibly, you can effectively begin your journey with the Deepseek API, exploring its capabilities while respecting their guidelines.